Welcome to Best RV Channels. We're presenting you today the brand new 2025 Sandstorm 2710 SRX. We have here's dinette tables with the roll-up dinette. This beds become a double bed, so we'll sleep two at the bottom, and then you have electric bed in the top with LED light. All this bed is electronic, nothing manual, just push the switch. And when you walk in here, you have a big 50-inch LCD screen, smart TV, facing the two swivel reclines. These are, by the way, they recline. You could see, I could push and recline them more. Look at the amount of the storage. Look, all the storage in this side, as well the other side. And again, there's no issue on the width, because we measure it is more than 76 inches between this edge of the cabinet to the wall. So your four-seaters, when it's coming in here, no issue. 15 feet 0.9 from here all the way to the back. Again, there's no issue. Look how we show them the beautiful, the LED lights on this unit. 2 AC, 2,000 watt inverters, solar system, inverter come with it. Now we're coming to the kitchen. It's a convection microwave oven. Nice residential 3-burner range. All these doors, cabinets, more storage. One-piece sink with gold-plated faucets. Look, the prep area. So I have prep area from the sink to the right. Spice rack. All this tall cabinet as well over here. Look how deep with shelf. Show them this is really great. It's good for pantries. And then over here you have the 10.7 cubic Freon refrigerator, 12 volt. And then you could see the tie downs, they're coming all the way down. So when I get my toy, I have room to put my chairs here. You have a nice, fantastic fan. So in case with the rain sensors, so you could open it to get the smell of the cooking outside, run off 12 volt. When you walk in here, beautiful 3-step. You could see how easy to get in with a grip. Show them this, please. This is the control panel for the inverter. It's a Centex 2000 watt inverter. This is the solar panel controller, 40 amp, and there's a solar panel on the roof. There's a place here for the second TV if you want to put TV in the bedroom. This is your second AC, so it has 2 ACs. Very roomy closets. Look how big the closets. Very roomy here. Why? Because it's roomy, because I have the incline. You could see the bed with one switch. I could bring it down. It's a king size bed with a closet on both sides. Just one switch. You don't have to do nothing. Look how roomy it is. And even the king size bed is down, I still have plenty of room to walk around the bed. If I want to recline it and watch a movie or sit in my bed and do some reading, one switch. It's a versatile bed, and I could raise it more, and you could see how beautiful and how big the room I get here. Okay, walk into the bathroom. Look how huge. Look how this beautiful glass shower door, corner, no issue for elbow, very real room for elbows. Nice medicine cabinets. It's perfect for dress-up room. Prep area next to the sink, and porcelain toilet, as you see, closet, and a nice medicine cabinet. See, this is a beautiful front cap for the Sandstorm toy hauler 2710. You could see all these LED lights, which is easy to hook up the unit at night. Also, you could see here we have the 5500 watt generators, power flex, which is able to run everything inside the unit with no problem. This unit also, there's a area here for the deep cycle batteries. And then we have the pass-through storage, as you see, with the LED light and magnet. Nice entry more right step with handles. It has also the CRE 300 more right axles with the 16-inch tires. There's a place for TV outside here, and you can see it has the premium package power awning with LED light, as you see, GPL outside speakers. Even it has a toy lock here where you could hook up your toys and put it back. It has the ram door with cable, so you could stand up here. It has LED light in the rear. And when we're coming over here, it has the fuel stations with the fuel tank. This fuel station, you could fuel your toys as well. The generator run from that fuel tank. And as usual, we have the endless suburban hot water heater. And then we have the pass-through storage with a docking stations where you hook up everything. And then also it has LED at night so you could see what you hook up. Even it has a floodlight over here so you could watch at night when you do your fuel stations. As well, it has a Leopard extended ladder prep. Also come over here with 2 propane tank, the 7-gallon each. And then here's the place for the landing gear where I could, increase the height of the jack. They're independent jack. As you see, I'm raising the front, the fifth wheel from the front. Behind this video, there's a link where it takes you to the unit. You can go to our website. They show you all the pictures, all the features, and we have this unit on a price. We priced it for $60,999. $60,999, lowest price in the state of California. No one could match our price. No bogus fees. A free get-ready package, a free dealer prep. We make it ready for you at no cost to you, just tax and licensing. Come to Best RV and grab the 2710 SRX